In today's video, I'm going to be doing my gaming review on the brand new Motorola Edge 2025 edition. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully guys are having a great day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the brand new Motorola Edge 2025 edition, and I don't think we've seen many reviews on the internet yet for this device as far as gaming goes. So we're going to go ahead and check out how the gaming works on this device, and we're going to try to run these video games that we play on here at the highest settings possible and the highest frame rate possible. Obviously, we do have some great things inside of here to help this phone out have a great gaming experience. We have, of course, stereo speakers, very loud stereo speakers on here that I might add. I really do like the speakers on here. So if you guys are going to cover up the bottom of your phone, you're going to have another one that's going to be firing at you at all times. So it's a very good experience as far as gaming goes. As far as the internals too, before I start, we have 8 gigabytes of RAM and we have a Dimensity 7400 Ultra inside of here as well. And if you guys are gaming in the sun, we have a 4500 nit peak brightness display on here. So it's going to be one of the brightest experiences possible. But let's go ahead and start off with the first game, and that's going to be Asphalt Legends. All right, everyone, so we are currently in graphics settings right here. As you guys can see, our visual quality, let's go ahead and set it to high quality. Our frame rate's going to be on 60. Bloom's going to be, let's put that on high quality. Depth of field is on high. Volumetric lighting is on high, and shadow resolution is on very high. So let's go ahead and play a little round of this and see how this runs. We'll go ahead and turn up these speakers as well. Not all the way, but these are some very loud speakers. So far, there is zero slowdown with this chipset. Obviously not the most taxing game in the world, but this looks really good, especially that 60 frames per second on this device. It looks great. Also, the animations look really good on here. Colors look great too. And we hit first place on here. So this is absolutely going to run Asphalt Legends on the highest graphics possible perfectly. Next up, we have Call of Duty Mobile, and yes, we have downloaded the HD resources pack so we can play on the highest settings possible. And we're going to go ahead and verify that for you guys currently. So we have audio and graphics. As far as our graphic quality, let's go ahead and put that on very high. Our frame rate is going to be ultra. Looks like we can't turn depth of field on. Real-time shadows. Everything currently is on the highest settings possible. Let's go ahead and play a multiplayer match and see how this looks. Shadows look great. Shadows look really good so far. Frame rate looks good. Colors look good. Graphics overall look really good so far. This is definitely something like a PS4 graphics overall. Maybe a little bit lighter than that. Definitely not PS3 though. Let's go ahead and see. Yeah, this looks great. This looks really good. You can absolutely tell with the frame rate on this too. So if you guys are looking to play this competitively, this is definitely going to be a phone that you can do this on. There was a little glitch right there. Not anything crazy. Also, I was playing on this about an hour ago as well, and there were no heating issues at all. So you guys are going to be good with that. This chipset seems to be doing a pretty good job so far at optimizing the heat and everything. Also, the battery life. Battery life seems to be doing a very good job as well. Especially within this last week, it's definitely been able to last the full day. Let's go ahead and test this kill streak. Boom. Alright guys, so that was Call of Duty Mobile. This looks great. I don't think I'm doing justice to the game right now too, because I'm not recording in 60 frames per second. I'm recording at 30 frames per second, but overall gaming is going to work great on this. I have played video games on this for an extended time and it has not heated up once, and I can't really say that about a lot of devices. So overall gaming experience on this phone is great. We also have great speakers. We have a pretty capable processor inside of here, decent battery life, and overall really good experience on here. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.